Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, just come in the mail today, or FedEx, whatever. I picked up these emergency rescue key rings from CRKT. I got these down at Palmetto State Armory for $8 each. Get a nice solid key ring there. This thing up here resembles like a gut hook for gut not game or whatever, but it's made to cut seatbelts off. I picked up a mess of these. I'm going to hand them out. Hopefully people put them on their key rings. Got the screwdriver deal here. Got the blade in here to cut a seatbelt off. I don't know what this is for. It says 02 on it. I don't know if you can see that. A 1/4 inch nut. I don't know what's 1/4 inch. I know a lot of battery terminal things are 5/16 or 10 millimeter. But for $8 a piece, and that I picked up several. I'm going to hand them out. Be something good to have. Well, I got it on, already got it on the key ring here of the race car. And that's where I might need it. Who knows? Cut myself out because sometimes I do things I shouldn't be doing. So for $8, I buy a mess of them, hand them out to the kids, family, what have you, and that. Could be a good little tool to have handy when you really need it. Palmetto State Armory, about for $8 each. Not a bad deal. So, why not? Good solid ring too. Have a good day, guys.